Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
And also, see, another thing too that I find when people ask, alright, because people that, like, people ask for favors, I'm very wary of that. Wary of what they ask for and how often too.
Okay.
Because that's the dangerous territory to go through.
You see, all right. A favor is like who you doing it for. All right. Suppose your mom asks you to do something, right? As a favor at any time. You can't say no. All right. Your sister, you can't say no, right? All right, cool. You see, it's what is the favor? Like, for example, so what if you have to go out of the way now to drop me to the freaking airport? You don't need to go to the airport. You just don't need to go to the airport. You don't feel like driving today, right? Or maybe you have to go to Scarborough. You're going to take me to the airport, right? You go out of your way. That's a favor that you don't have to do. But it depends on who. For your mother, it's no big deal, right? If your friend say, boy, listen, I'm going to the airport tomorrow. And you call you ahead of time and say, listen, you think you could give me a ride? You have the decision to say yes or no. If I'm going to the store, I'm at the store, and somebody anybody call me and say, listen, do you have any money? And can you pick up me something? And if I don't have the money, I don't have the money. If I have the money, I pick it up. And if the person can call me 100 times, but I'm not going to be at the store 100 times. Oh, you at the store? No. You going to the store? No. Because you're not even planned to. You get what I'm saying? There's certain things in life where you do it because you don't like it done to you. Or maybe you plan to do it. You're like somebody else that got to come out of conversation, right? But you can't. I have no problem. And the rabbi. You do things because you think you can come back in your play.
See, the act of doing good things feels good.
And it's easier to do good than bad.
It depends on the frequency you're at, your vibration.
That person scream out, and the first thing you think of is something wrong. Because guess what? If you scream out like that, right? Most likely something is wrong with you, right? Yeah. So it'll show yourself why, regardless, you need our help sometimes. We need somebody to check on us sometimes. That's why you have a family. That's why you have kids, and it's a thing for you to reach certain age and start have kids and family. Somebody always gonna be there. And it's never grown. It's not about growing old alone. It never happens. This in the Western world is happening because everybody they can't look over their pride. No matter what you do to somebody in life, eventually, man, you probably won't forget it. That you can't forget things that happen with you. Certain things. You can't forget certain things. You know what I mean? Certain things mark, sister. But you have to make your life miserable.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.